Maserati GT2 debuts on the track at Circuit Paul Ricard and already gets the podium with LP racing in final round of the 2023 Fanatec GT2 European Series. Modena, Italy, October 7, 2023, Maserati GT2, the brand's new track sports car devoted to competition, unveiled in late June at the 24 Hours of Spa, made its racing debut at the Circuit Paul Ricard, in the final round of the 2023 Fanatec GT2 European Series. The Maserati GT2, driven by Leonardo Gorini and Luca Pirri, standard bearers of LP Racing, the first team to bring a Trident car to the track, immediately distinguished itself thanks to an incredible performance during the race weekend. After the pole position on Friday, it climbed on the second step of the podium in Race 1 on Saturday and finished in the top 10 in Race 2, in 7th place. A debut that promptly reignited the glorious memories of Maserati's racing history. Ushering in the 2024 season ahead, the new 100% made in Modena racing creation will officially be a competitor in the championship dedicated to the most eye-catching and high-performance Grand Touring cars. The debut in the European Series signifies Maserati's triumphant return to GT competition, where it made its mark in the 2000s with the winning MC12, showcasing a string of successes of as many as 13 titles between constructors, teams, and drivers' championships. A worthy successor to a car that was the stuff of dreams for fans and enthusiasts of the Italian brand alike. The Maserati GT2 is a masterpiece of performance tuned up in the footsteps of its